children of Biafrans. My name is Royal Majesty Omenego Enyinda Ogunka, the chairman of Elders of IPOB Biafra. I am from Esala in Evo region, in Evo province, Rivers region. I'm here to unveil some secret of these evil people that are oppressing us. After the British sent Lord Lugan, who came from Scotland, to come and do some job in this very nation have expired 2014. When he came, through his girlfriend, he later married. Then he looked at or whatever they call her. When they find out that we, the former Eastern region, we are intellectual and were created by God, the 7 children of or son of Jacob, God, they find they could not put us inside bottle like what they did to other nations they have been to. They now decided to shift up to Northern State. While Cross River was the first capital. And the independent, when they find out whom we are, they concluded and went to Sultan of Sokoto on 30th September 1960 and hand over every secret of Nigeria into the hand of Sultan of Sokoto. And we did not know. And on 1st October, they come and celebrate independence. One independence was really done on 30th September. Here we continue. Not known to us. And we are the first. Biazowa. But when they wanted to do it, they do us Bia and Hausa man, Zo and Yoruba man. But in education, we are the first. Yoruba are the second. Hausa are the third because we are not educated. Awolowo will become angry. Why should he be in third position? He made Zik to deceive Zik. Let there be war. Zik said no. I took oath. I will never divide the nation. When he continued and found out he could not succeed, he came to Zik to take away the capital. What did he say? Zik, you look at Cross River. He feel with that blow. The money that we use to take care of Cross River, we take care of the whole country. And after Cameroon, the distance from Cameroon to Gabon is too far. Let's use Lagos. Lagos is free land and level. A strong throw to Cotonou, Cotonou to Togo, a strong throw. Togo to Ghana, a strong throw. Ghana to Abidjan, a strong throw. Abidjan to Africa, a strong throw. Zik thought somebody was telling him something. He never knew he wanted to slip out what they had. And that was what Zik had as okay. Let's pull the capital from Calabar and to Lagos. They took it away from us. After that, one sit and say, I never sleep with you, Igbo man. Since you feel you have sense. He came to him, let there be war. Zik is all for my dead body. Let there be war. They meet Hiroshi. Hiroshi said no. Why should this? If there will be war, I should let my brother know. Colonel Ojukwu. By then he was in Congo during the war because it was in Congo that Ojukwu and Hiroshi met. And Ojukwu was informed. Hiroshi come down. What is it? They say war. He said war is not an easy thing. But if you people say that we are oppressed and it is only through war we can be free, that's no problem. They decided. And what was coming in, telling them war, and what was going to go into Hausa people, telling them Igbos are planning to fight war. The Eastern region are planning to fight war. Listen, the whole world, hear this. If you don't know, hear this. Yoruba are the cause of the war. The Nigerian Biafra civil war. Igbo man, Biafra man. The Eastern region never had it in mind to have a war. Instead, they have the intellectual, the people that will go by that of the natives. And they continue. When they decided, the 100 CG machine that I will bought and share to Ondo people. One of my workman whom I met in Mecca and Niger State told me where they packed the machine. When they were moving from Umuahia with 8 Land Rover, because the system of overthrow, it must go to the capital and take over the capital. On their way to Lagos, they were hearing Radio Biafra everywhere. Getting to it, they were betrayed. They told the Fadina. The Fadina said, if they continue on, you condemn me. I was there, they told me. Now, during the war was on. But when unknown to him that he's an Ebonyi State, he's a man. Theophilus countryman, unknown to him that he's an Umuahia man, a cousin brother to Irosi. These were the people they used. And that was why Wherever he was going, he moved with the 12 from Dajima. But the doctor never know that was his cousin brother. And that was why they used him to kill him. When they was about to take him to Lagos, Ojuku called him in Igbo language and say, "One agent." He refused. Agent never win a damn drum and don't go that place. He don't go. When he got there, never know his stuff. He used to do his stuff the way he used to prepare his stuff and be strict for him. And recalled and brought back. And when they went to him at Lagos, in fact, the condition was not considered was shaped on him. From one day he jumped out. They solo after him. Getting to Ibadan after two Willie, if you know Ibadan, that was where they got him. It was the same his brother, Theophilus, who told them you cannot kill this man with any inflammation or weapon. What we have to do is to turn this man upside down, tie his two legs on the Land Rover, and use his tail upside down. That was how this man. Before they do this, he runs around to the house of Fajui. After that, Fajui said, "You can't kill my official or my mentor," that they say with the sister kill Fajui and take it. After that one, after the war, which they first Gowon to leave, we can't know it. They came back and they told Gowon, "You must sign that every Biafran from 2 years old must be killed." That was when Gowon goes up and said, "I too is a Christian. If I kill these people, who will I go to rule?" Without knowing that he's an Igbo man. They deceived him, carried them, Buhari, Obasanjo, Babangida, Idiawa, and the rest of them, they went to Saudi Arabia. What did they went there to do? To write an agreement. Everybody must sign that the Eastern region will never rule for 200 years to come. And before the 200 years will expire, no one from Eastern region will be able to stand and challenge us in anything. That was the cause of Okadibo. It was reviewed through Buhari campaign. When Okadibo said, "I will be your morning mate. After you finish ruling, I will rule." He said no. After the dragging, Buhari took him to us and said, "Let me show you why. You people will not rule." He brought the document and presented to him. As an intellectual, a wisdom, a clever man, he told him, "Please, can I go home and study this?" He said yes. He went home and he to study and went to his brother. He came back there with Ojuku, the leader of Biafra. And when this man saw it, he said what? And he brought it before people. When Obasanjo had this, Obasanjo decided to kill Okadibo. That was why when they called him in Kaduna for a banquet, Ojuku called him and said, "Don't go. Remember what I told your brother?" He refused. Okadibo said, "I am one of them." He went there. When they gave him poison food, they could not succeed. They used an acidic tear gas because he was asthmatic patient. This is the plan of Fulani. He will not tell me that the Queen of England is not aware of what is happening. Since they are killing us, have the Britain stood up and said what is going on? No. Why should this happen? No. Listen to me recently because time will not permit me for the whole Biafra here for time. Years ago, our boys that they use as election machinery. After that, they will throw them away. In every batch, you will go there, you see all Biafrans are contract staffs. The permanent staff are the Yorubas. The engineers are military Fulanis. What happened? The boys say no. This is how they force our boys to cry, calling them court boys. Because they will promise them heaven and earth. The criminal they call as representative and governor. After they use them for election, they will not say to those boys. When they are with the rifle, they have nothing to do. They go with that rifle to misbehave. Those boys we are the people who get there and say, "Bob, I say, I have oil, I have everything." And I had a time, so many people were led to Britain. We must discover. 2016, they tried to do that. On process of that, 3 of our boys died. And they were able to discover there is 12 inches pipe by 12 that were laid under Atlantic Ocean that connected the Delta State, Bayelsa, River, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, down Atlantic Ocean, sent it down to Britain. Where they are populating our crude oil about 100 years ago. This is why Britain kept quiet. And they keep quiet, they never say anything. And this is why Britain are secretly supporting them. Because they know any day we go, Britain will fall. But they are not Igwuocha. They are not the Almighty Creator. Time will not permit me. But as time goes on, we will reveal more of their secrets.